Tandaan nyo, wala nang ibang dahilan ng buhay kundi para kumilala tayo sa Diyos. Sumunod tayo sa Kanyang utos para makasama natin siya sa langit. Wala na pong ibang dahilan ng buhay. Wala namang kwenta ang buhay kung ikaw mayaman ka. Maiiwan mo naman Ha? 40 milyong hektarya ng lupa ang pag-aari mo. Ang titulo mo, ganyang kakapal ang dami. Pag namatay, kaanin mo yun. 1 metro kudrado ka lang. What are you going to do with acres and upon acres and hectares upon hectares of land that you have accumulated, the vast wealth that you have acquired for yourself, whether in the rightful manner or in the wrong manner of acquiring wealth? What will that do to you? Sometimes it will even prejudice your salvation, your knowledge, your belief in God. When a people or when a person is very rich, he feels that he has everything in this world. He doesn't need anymore the services of people. And sometimes he feels that he does not need any more God because he is very much stable. Compared to the poor who always pray to God just for a breakfast. At night, God, our problem is the breakfast that we have. We must have tomorrow. The breakfast for my sons and daughters. He kneels and prays to God because he has nothing in life. The only hope in him is that he believes in God. Minus God, then everything will be in vain. Alisin mo ang Diyos, wala na pong kwenta ang buhay. Wala nang sagot ang ibang tanong. Pag wala ang Diyos, minus God, then everything will fall down. But with God, every question will be answered, every problem will be solved.